Lumina, our professional athletes from Team Lakay. They're going to show a mixed martial arts match. Chanlo and Carlo Bon are set for a bout on August 4 and 5 respectively. Once again, they're going to represent our dear country, Philippines.
Sino sa pula? Sino sa itim?
Just like all of you, our dear athletes, these two professional MMA athletes started from our grassroots programs, which are the Team Lakay Grappers Cup and Team Lakay Championships. So we believe that there are some, if not all of you, who are going to be professional fighters like them.
May we ask the crowd to please also sing a very happy birthday to our